Casting has existed for 5,000 years. It's a pretty old technology, but it's very labor and time consuming. This is the first time that you have a metal printing process that is cheaper than casting up to 100,000 units. My name is Rick Fulop, founder and CEO of Desktop Metal. Desktop Metal is one of the first companies to make metal 3D printing accessible for mass production and engineering. We basically make the fastest metal printers in the world and the most accessible metal printers in the world. So we have about 600 customers today, and they range from automotive to heavy duty to industrial to consumer electronics. Metal parts are used in lots of things. This part goes in a major European luxury automaker's vehicle, and it's almost impossible to make this part without a manufacturing process. It's cost effectively. Car companies now have freedom to not have inventory, to actually make parts on demand, to do more complex parts, and to do them less expensive. I would say one of the things that's really cool about 3D printing is that it's a multidisciplinary field. You've got software, you've got material science, and you've got hardware, and it's 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, and then it's the mix of those three things that gives you a really exciting opportunity. So I spend most of my time in the lab going from one project to another project and doing planning, and primarily I spend, I would say, 80% of it on new product development. We're technologists. We like to develop new technology. We love doing things that no one else has done before, and that's what kind of drives us and motivates us. I've been a venture-backed entrepreneur since I was 20, so this is my 6th company. You kind of find an idea, and then it's a slippery slope. You kind of get really excited about it, and you don't stop till you finish. What's next for Desktop Metal is new products. We have a multi-generational roadmap. We're really focused on cementing a solid double-digit position market share in our space that eventually will be the leading player in it. And our goal is to be #1 in metal printing.